have the corporate chef here, Mr. John. So please tell us about your kitchen garden.
Ma'am, our kitchen garden is situated right to the extreme right, and it's in about 2 acres, and everything grown.
Guys, we ate so much that now I'm bursting and we are heading towards our room. That's how the way looks like. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so this is looking very ugly, but anyway I'm gonna cover it with makeup. So now I'm getting ready and I'm gonna do my makeup in front of you guys. So let's begin. Okay, first of all, I have like put all my makeup right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So see this. I have my makeup box. It has my primer, all the eyeliners, jewelry that I need. This is my brush packet. This is my brush packet. This is my ironing machine, face wipes, eyeshadow brushes, some more makeup, foundation, eyeshadow palette, one more eyeshadow palette, bronzer, highlighter, and a lip balm, because this lip balm is my favorite. So that's my makeup, and now we're gonna get ready. So I'm finally back to my room and I'm super tired because we just shot like a few pictures and he's talking. So super tired and that's about it. So he's talking, but anyway I'm gonna get back to you in a few minutes. Bye bye. Hi guys, so I'm having the macaroons which the hotel gave us. So I'm heading towards dinner because I'm very hungry and we had a very long shoot, so we're finally going now and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I say that in every video, don't I? Okay, super tasty. So this place looks so beautiful at night. All these lights and the pathways, they are looking super amazing. And now we are heading towards dinner. So I'm having this amazing cappuccino right now, and we shifted the high tea to the dining area because I was really hungry, and now I'm gonna hop on the buffet. So oops, super excited. Hi you guys, so this resort is amazing. Like the services, the staff, the food is to die for, and I completely love this resort. It's the Heritage Resort and Spa in Manesar. They're completely amazing and the coffee is amazing, the food is amazing. So if you all are looking for a getaway, you should just plan your stay here, your holiday here. They are amazing. Like I don't have words for this place. The food is outstanding, coffee outstanding. Okay, coffee comes in food, fine, but the experience overall, everything is an 11 on 10. They're so amazing. So now I'm gonna have my dinner and I'm having my coffee right now. So that's about it. Bye bye. So the best part is that the chef has personalized a menu for us and I'm so excited to try everything out. I'm going to show you what all am I trying and I'm going to record it in this vlog. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm gonna end my vlog right here. So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.